Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. As we continue in our C++ programming series, in this video tutorial we will learn how to write a program that will compute the area of a triangle. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So we are already here in our dev C++ integrated development environment. So the first step that I will do is to write the comment here. Let's say for example area underscore triangle .cpp. This is the file name of our program, and then after which the author of this program, that's yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Date October 14, 2019, Monday, 9:34 p.m. Philippine time. And then my email address. If you want to email me, I will immediately reply your email once I read it. My email address is jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Okay, after we are done with our comments, the main purpose of having a comment is that for documentation purposes. It will identify the purpose of the program, who wrote the program, the programmer, the date, and then other related message that will help us understand what is the nature of our program that we are writing in C++. The next is we will declare the library file sharp include IO stream. This library file is very important in any C++ programming because it is used for mainly for input output. Okay, so using namespace std and main, the starting point of our program execution, and then here we will declare three variables. We will using the data type float because there is a decimal places, area, base, and height. Now for me, every time that I wrote a program, I always initialize the values with 0. The reason behind that is that sometimes if we fail to initialize our variable to 0, or when we compile our program and then when we run, it gives us the wrong result, erroneous result. So to avoid that scenario to happen, we should make it a habit to initialize \n new line, and then we have here the title of our program, double quotation \t horizontal tab for text formatting purposes, and then the title of our program, area of triangle solver. This will be the title of our program. Copy. Okay, so console out \t enter base value semicolon cn base. We try to make our program, writing our program faster, so what I will always do is to copy and paste, and then instead of base here we will have the height value. So we have here height, so area assignment statement equals 0.5 multiply multiply base asterisk and height. Now take note, C++ programming language is a case-sensitive programming language. For example, when you declare your variables in lowercase here, it should be the same throughout our program, or else it will create an error. Okay, console out. We will display the result in this particular portion. The area of the triangle is okay. We will call assignment statement here area. Horizontal tab and of okay, end of program. That tells the user that the program is already ended. Now, before we save our program, let us discuss now the things that we have done already. So in our program, so we have here the comment in our program, variable declaration, the title of our program, area of the triangle, missing end, triangle solver, and then the input for the base value and the height. We have here the variable base and height. Assignment statement area to perform a series computation for the area of the triangle, and then the display of the result, and then end of the program. Now the next step that we'll do is to save our work. How do we save our work in Div C++ programming environment? Very simple. We can press Ctrl S, and then we will make a new folder here. Right click, new folder. So here, area of the triangle. Double click, and then we type area underscore triangle.cpp. This is the file name of our program, and then we have here the extension cpp. Click the save button, and then we will go to execute, compile to check if there is a violation of the syntax. There is none, so we will run our program. So let's say, for example, the base value is 5 and then the height is 4, so the area of the triangle is 10. Okay, we have the right result. We just forgot to put horizontal tab T for formatting. So compile and run. Let's say we have here 15, and then we have here 5. The base area of the triangle, the base value is 15, the height is 5. Enter. The area of the triangle is 37.5. Okay, so here we go. We have already our program how to solve the area of the triangle using C++. Before we end this video tutorial, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. First and foremost, I am very thankful for your support. For the new subscriber of my channel, thank you very much. For the viewers of my tutorials in my channel, Jake Pomperada, I am very grateful and appreciated that you patronize my channel. I hope I can impart whatever knowledge that I have in computer programming in your learning. Thank you so much, guys. Until to the next video tutorial, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, saying bye bye for now.